Okay, so I'm cleaning my my grocery order. This is a bucket. This is a bucket with water and just a little bleach. This is a bucket of clean water. So I'm just kind of dipping my fruit and vegetables inside the bleach water. I'd say maybe a half a cup of bleach is plenty. So this, I thought this would make a good video because this seems like a pretty good routine. So here's my tomatoes. See, I can dunk the whole thing here. Get a close up of the tomatoes in the water. And then I just dunk them here to clean off the bleach water. Seems to work pretty good. And then same thing for peppers. Clean them off in here. Of course, you know, I have these tables set up outside. I already had the tables, so I lost track of what I was doing. Okay, so I'm doing the green peppers. Of course, I already had the tables set up outside for work tables, so they're kind of coming in handy here. And do the oranges. Apples will work too. What do you think about broccoli and cauliflower? You think I should dunk them in there? I'll just bring them in the house.
No, just the package on the outside, and then I'll do them inside.
You aren't gonna dunk them in bleach water though, right?
No, I don't think it'd hurt them any.
You want the packages dunked in the bleach water? There's holes in them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'll take it off the outside if there's anything.
But the bleach will get on the vegetables. See, there's air vents in them.
Well, I'm going to take them apart and wash them and package them anyway.
Okay, so
Freeze them.
see, a lot of bleach water got in there. So,
It won't hurt you.
clean off the bugs, huh?
Yeah. Just on the outside of the package or anywhere.
I think last time I just cut them open and that too. Really?
Yeah, just dunk the outside of the package. So if anybody handled it.
Lettuce? No. No. This stuff you can rinse off, you know?
Yeah, because it's hard and you can wash it.
Yeah. The lettuce would be a real pain in the butt. See, now this, I'm not dunking it. I'm just putting it in the bag here. And then she can finish it up inside. Okay, that's it, except for a couple more peppers and a couple more tomatoes. The canned goods I dumped in there. The bologna, the sausage, but the boxes I didn't dunk. You can get a video of the boxes sitting on the table there. We try and do our order on sunny days, so that way it's not raining and we can leave the boxes outside for a while. And then we just bring the boxes inside and stack them up in the pantry and don't touch them for a couple weeks.
Yeah, if you leave them out in the hot sun for a while, maybe that'll help.
Okay. The lettuce, I'll cut that open inside and take the package off for you. And you can see what we're doing with the boxes here. Just set the boxes out here for a couple hours in the sun. Of course, if it's raining, that won't work, but
Of course, it's in the shade now. You
Yeah.
gotta bring them out on the edge.
okay. See, and then when we bring them in, we just stack them on the top shelf in the back and just won't touch them for a couple weeks. Okay, see ya. Bye.